We use energy every day, playing baseball, basketball, and many other sports, walking, cooking, and basically everything we do and everything around us. So, what is this energy? It is when an object or substance has the ability to do work. Energy and work is very similar. If something has energy, you can do work. So, if there was no energy, nothing will happen, nothing will work. There are two types of energy, kinetic and potential. Let's talk about potential energy. The name speaks of itself. Potential energy is a force that potentially can be used to work, but is not yet used. There are five kinds of potential energy. One is chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored within the bonds of chemical compounds, like a battery. One can produce electricity, but it has no reason to do so yet.
If you put together hydrogen peroxide, sodium iodine, and soap together, this chemical reaction occurs. This means that all of the ingredients of the compound has potential chemical energy.
Elastic energy is another. The energy that can be stored in anything that can be stretched or compressed.
As an example, right now this rubber band does not have any elastic energy. But now that it's stretched, it has potential elastic energy.
The next potential energy is when something has the potential to cause a nuclear reaction, and that is known as nuclear energy and can be stored in an atom.
This atomic bomb has the ability to do this, but doesn't for the time being.
And last energy is gravitational energy. When an object is off the ground, so has the potential to fall, but doesn't because of another force.
At this point, the teddy bear has potential kinetic energy, and now it doesn't.
The other type of energy is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is when potential energy is used to actually do work. There are five types of kinetic energy. One is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy of moving electric charges. As an example, this motor is connected to batteries, creating a circuit illuminating the light bulb. This allows me to move on to the next type of energy, the radiant energy. Radiant energy travels in electromagnetic waves. As an example, microwaves, light bulbs, and X-rays are all examples of electromagnetic waves. So this light bulb is sending electromagnetic waves, which is visible, therefore illuminates the room. Another is mechanical energy. This energy is used to move things. If you take a circuit from the last example and put a motor on it, the motor is spinning the fan. So in this example, the fan is using mechanical energy. Another type is sound energy. Sound energy is the energy given for vibrating objects. As an example, this part of speakers vibrates. You can see that the water is vibrating as well. The last type of energy is thermal energy. Thermal energy is an energy radiating from moving particles of matter. As an example, energy is maintaining your body temperature, and geothermal energy maintains the temperature of the earth. The kitchen stove creates fire, and that is thermal energy.
The law of conservation of energy states that energy is neither created or destroyed, that they only change into one form to another. The energy to move a car doesn't come from thin air. It comes from gasoline that is potential chemical energy that turns into the mechanical energy that moves the car. The electrical energy of the circuit turns into mechanical energy that spins the motor of the radiant energy of the light bulb. The potential elastic energy turns into mechanical energy which sends the rubber band flying.